Hi everyone, my name is Marlene and I am a Python software engineer and a developer advocate at Voltron Data.
Hi, I'm Phillip Cloud. I'm the lead maintainer and developer of Ibis, and I work with Marlene at Voltron Data on making all the data things awesome.
Yes. And today we are actually going to be doing a short video telling you about the top three features we think are exciting about this Ibis release. Ibis just put out Ibis 3.2, which is the new release, and you can access these features actually right now when you're using the new release. So the first feature we're going to talk about is MemTable. So Philip, can you tell us a little bit about this feature?
Sure, MemTable is a way to provide convenient access to in-memory objects. So you can use it with Python lists, Python data frames, and you can run SQL queries over those objects. And you can use it to kind of make the integration with pandas much nicer.
Awesome. And then the second feature we want to talk about, which is very cool, is that Ibis has a new default backend, which is the DuckDB backend. And Philip, was there a default backend before this? And why specifically did you choose DuckDB?
Yeah, we haven't ever had a default backend. I think we got a little hung up on kind of picking what the default backend would be, and it turns out that you need a default backend if you want to do things like execute in memory data frames without without the user having provided a backend to begin with. And so we chose DuckDB because it kind of had the largest intersection of performance and features that we cared about. And so we wanted people to be able to do like nearly everything you can do in Ibis. You should be able to do, you should be able to execute that over a data frame. And DuckDB kind of provided, the biggest set of operations and performance for running on things that are in memory.
Definitely. And Philip actually talks a bit more about this in his live stream. He does a live stream on his YouTube channel, so you can check that out. Actually, DuckDB is a lot more performant than pandas when you're using larger data sets. So definitely uh, subscribe to Philip's YouTube channel to find out more. And then a final thing that we want to talk about is the struct column unpacking. And could you tell us a bit more about that feature?
Sure. Struct column unpacking is a set of two APIs, one that we added to table expressions and one that we added to column expressions for structs in particular, that will sort of lift out the struct fields of a struct and put them into their sort of the containing table as proper columns. And so this makes working with struct data and in general highly nested data where you have arrays of structs or structs of arrays of structs, etc., much more manageable and composable.
Awesome. So hopefully that will make working with nested data much easier for people.
Yep.
That is actually all we have for this video, and definitely can recommend either checking out the IBIS website or subscribing to Philip's YouTube to find out more. But thanks for watching.
Thanks, everyone.
Bye,
Thanks,
everyone.
Marlene.